Hey folks, welcome to my channel number 10. So we have the problem on your screen. Limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 3 divided by x, the whole power x plus 2, right? And yeah, we know that anything to the power a plus b equals anything to the power a into anything to the power b, right? So let's assume if that anything is equal to a, right? A to the power x plus y equals a to the power x into a to the power y, right? And if I use that particular formula and rewrite this particular expression, what do I get? I'm going to get 1 plus 3 into again 1 plus 3 by x, right? So I can further simplify this, right? What is my 1 plus 3 by x, right? My 1 plus 3 by x is nothing but 1 plus 1 divided by 3, right? 3, right? And if I look at x in the exponent, I'm going to be able to rewrite this x as x by 3 into 3, right? X by 3 into 3, right? And we know a to the power xy is equal to a to the power x, the whole power y, right? So I repeat this, a to the power xy equals a to the power x, the whole power y. So when we have an expression to the power x by 3 into 3, I can rewrite this further, right? I can rewrite this as 1 plus x by 3. I'm going to bracket this and I'm going to write this as 3, right? I hope this makes it a lot more simpler, right? So this is what we have. And I know that as x tends to infinity, my x divided by 3 will also be infinite, right? I will not be able to determine what is that infinite. So now I think I'm in a position to apply the formula, which is the last formula on your screen, limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by x, the whole power x equals e, right? And if I'm going to treat my x as x by 3, which will also tend to infinity, right? I can do a substitution x by 3 equals y and rewrite this expression, right? So let's do that in the subsequent line. If I replace my x by 3 equals y, right, my y will also tend to infinity, right? And what is my this part of the expression, which is nothing but 1 plus 1 divided by y, the whole power y. And remember, don't miss out on the cube which is outside of this, and we will do a whole cube of this, right? So all that I've done is I've replaced x by 3, which let me highlight it in yellow. I've replaced that by y, okay? And all that I get for this part of the expression is, let me write the other part as well. Now I will have to write another expression with limits because my other expression is in terms of x tending to 0, and I have this, right? So let me just copy this as it is. I think that this first part of the expression, we know what it is. It is e to the power 3, which is my EQ. And my second part of the expression where I do an x tending to infinity. Folks, again, I've made this mistake and my apologies. Infinity. I have 1 plus 3 by infinity, which is 0, which is 1 square, which is again 1. My answer to this problem is E cube. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.